Okay, what I want to do now is I'm going to show you how to put the boxes together. This is the background piece, and I used double-sided cardstock. So this is going to be our first one. And you can cut the extra pieces out of vinyl or paper. I decided to go with vinyl, so I'm just going to take my white layer here. Give that a good rub. And I'm going to put that right here on the top of my box. Like that. And I'm going to, this is the sweetheart one. So I'm just going to grab my red sweetheart and get that on there like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab my Okay, so I have my box. I'm just going to show you how to fold this. So the first score mark I'm going to fold up this way. And I'm going to fold these little tabs in, and there's score marks all along here. So I'm just going to fold these in like that. And then same with the other side. Fold those in. And the bottom I'm going to fold up. Okay, and then you're going to have two little score marks on here, so I'm going to fold that one down and fold this one down. So what we're going to do is you're going to have three more score marks here, so I'm just going to fold these up on their score mark. Okay, so what we want to do is I want to put a little glue on the two side pieces here. Let me just get that folded a little better. I'm going to put some glue on the inside of these two pieces and then the inside of these two pieces, and we're going to glue them to these square parts right here. So let me just grab my glue. Get some glue on there. Okay. And we're going to fold this up like this and glue this to make the box. So I'm just going to get those two sides glued like that. Okay. So I'm just going to get that glued like that. And then the other side. Just going to get those sides glued like that. And you probably want to hold it for a minute. And then I'm going to put some glue on the, I'm going to just fold this back a little. I'm going to put some glue on the inside flap here, and that's going to fold down to just hold that a little bit better. Put a little glue inside here, and inside here. Okay, this is not quick drying glue, so you have to hold it really. So I'm going to get that to dry for a minute. Okay. And then you'll be able to put your sweet treat inside, and then the lid will fold inside the front like this. And there you go. You're going to have a cute little box that you can add a treat to. And you just open it up, and you'll have your treat inside. So that's one. We're going to work on the next one now. Okay, so it's the same thing. Double-sided cardstock. So I'm just going to get my white background here first. These are super easy and, you know, kind of fast, but again, you can personalize these any way you like. Okay. And then I have the get the eye on there. And the U. And then I'll get the love. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to get the next one ready, and that's going to be the darling one. So I'm going to grab that. You can just basically tell by the outline which one you're working on. And let's see. I'm going to put the Cupid on first. He goes right there. And then the darling. Oops, I'm just going to grab that. Okay. And get that on there like that. And that's one more. Okay, one more to go. This one's the Be Mine. Okay, let's see. I think I need... I'm going to try and do this a little bit sideways here because my piece is not big enough, but I'll try and do it anyway. Okay. That on there, and I'll get the hearts on. There we go. Gonna get that on here like this. That. Okay, and then I just have to get my E. And you're going to fold these boxes the exact same way as we did the first one. And next thing you know, you will have 4 cute Valentine boxes. All right, we'll be right back with the finished product. Thanks. Okay, so I finished putting these boxes together. I just wanted to show them to you really quickly. So here was our first box, and just stick the lid right in there after you put your treat in. And then here's the little darling one, and I added a little ribbon to help pull the box top open, make it a little bit easier. You can put a little tissue paper in here, some candy kisses, or, you know, anything. So that's our second one. And then we have the I Love You box. So cute. And the Be Mine. So these are the boxes, and I hope you like the class and have some fun making your own. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll be back with more videos.